The next step is creating a tail. So what we'll do is we'll click on Create Tail, and on the first page it is the tail cover art, which includes an area to add your voice and your artwork. Also the title, which we're going to call the 4 Seasons. I'll leave my name as the author. And then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and go down to the artwork area. There's 3 different areas you can upload pictures. You can either do it, you could draw, and then that will take you to the art pad. You can also select a picture from the galleries area, or you can upload a picture from your pictures, or if there's a website, you can also do that as long as it's not a copyright issue. So for our purposes, what we'll do is we'll select Draws so you can see how the art pad works. So you're given a blank slate, and there's different tools that you can use over here. So first what we'll do is we'll put our text. I'm going to clear. We'll put our text and type in the 4 seasons, and then I will select the brush, do a little drawing, and I'll grab green for a tree, and there is our cover. And one thing that you'll need to do is go ahead and save, so that you save your cover page. And then you just click out of here once you've saved that. So there you go, there is our cover of our new book, and what we'll do is we'll add voice. And to do that, you need to make sure that your microphone is set up on your computer. And all you need to do is select the green button and then record your message. Click stop when you're done, and then you can click play to listen to it. The 4 Seasons. And then you can click play. The 4 Seasons. Okay, so that's good. So our cover page is done, and what you'll do is click save. And then if you scroll to the far right, you can see your cover page, and it's indicated by cover, and then you also have audio with it as well. Now it takes you to the next page, which includes your artwork, which is similar to the cover page. You also have the voice, but now you have a text box so that you can add words to your image. So now we'll select a picture from the gallery area, and you can go to all images, and what I'll do is I'll select all 4 seasons. And in our text box, we can just list them. The 4 seasons include spring, summer, winter, and autumn. And what I'll do is I'll record that now. So you just click on the green button and record your text message. The 4 seasons include spring, summer, winter, and autumn. And then what you'll do is click save, and your first page is complete. And then we can do one more page. So, but I'll show if you scroll over, you can see that now you've got your cover page and you've got page 1. So we'll scroll back through, I'll go back to the galleries, go to all images, and I'll click a fall picture, and I'll indicate this season is fall or autumn, and I'll record it. This season is fall, or also called autumn. There we go. And then we'll click save, and there is page 2. And then I'll scroll over so you can see we now have page 2. So now what this indicates, there's text, there's audio, and then there's the images. And if you decide that you want to move images around, all you have to do is drag and drop them to change. You can always edit your book, and you can always make changes. And once you're done, then all you need to do is click preview, and you can see your finished product.
The four seasons include spring, summer, winter, and autumn. This season is fall, or also called autumn.
Okay. And there is your complete book. I can show you one more that we did. And so to go back, all you have to do is just click your home. Once you're logged in, you've got your username and password in. And now you can see that we've got a couple more tales that we've created. And again, you can always go back and you can edit them. You can delete, there's options. You can share them, copy, send a PDF, or delete them. Let's see, there's also a box for recent art on the artwork that we've used. And as you can see, your galleries are increasing too from the images that you create. And I'll go back and I'll show you a finished product. One thing that's nice again is if you want to get to know your students, you can do a summer project on what students did over the summer. And for instance, this one is called Read Summer Sports.
Read Summer Sports. This summer I took golfing lessons at Cellular Hills Golf Course. My favorite part was learning how to putt and use my driver. If we got the ball in the hole, we got a free starter. I brought 25 home. I took tennis lessons from Taji and Sola. We played matches with my friends. I learned how to score and serve this summer. I played soccer this summer. I scored 2 goals this season. We have bright gold jerseys and socks. My favorite sport is hockey. I played on the MCC club team this summer. My favorite position is defense. We live in the state of hockey. We play hockey all year.
And there's just one little example of what you can do with Little Bird Tales. And just kind of getting back to how you can use it, the options are endless. And here, just kind of go through some highlights and some benefits of using Little Bird Tales. Here's some ways that we can use Little Bird Tales in the classroom. You can create a book about a summer, spring break, or maybe Christmas break, and have the students bring in pictures. They can add those or look for pictures. You can also create a virtual tour of a place or country, write an autobiography, construct a book on observations of science experiments, or you could even use it for word problems and math. Here's another great way too. English learners can create stories that represent their background and culture to share. A lot of times what happens is there's not a lot of stories that they're able to relate to, so here's an opportunity for them to create their own or write their own story that they can relate to and also be able to share with the entire classroom. The benefits of digital storytelling, it provides excitement and motivation for students. It develops creativity, critical thinking. It also helps them develop their self-expression through images and through writing. It strengthens their oral and written communication, and it helps them share experiences and give meaning to them by sharing with others. Plus, it also helps them get to know their audience and how to write for their audience too. It also promotes 21st century skills. It's a digital generation of students. We need to capitalize on creative talents, research through the library and internet, and it also creates a rich and deep content while analyzing and synthesizing information. And it enhances communication skills through organizing ideas, asking questions, expressing opinions, constructing narratives, and understanding their audience. So I hope today was helpful, and I hope that you're able to go ahead and use it. It's a wonderful tool, and again, it applies to all ages, and it can be incorporated to any type of discipline that you're teaching. So have fun exploring. Thanks.